today I'm back with the next video, and today I want to talk about the AirPods Pro. So I want to talk about it, not just to talk about it. I want to talk about it if you're buying this to use this with a Android device. So I'm currently using this for about a day with a Android device, and these are my thoughts. I just want to share these before you go and spend what $270 something on this after tax. So here are the things you should know if you're buying this to use this with a iPhone, with not with an iPhone, with an Android phone. So first thing to note, it will work. You will get all the features, not all the features, but most of the features that are necessary. One thing that you won't get is like the Siri, but you will get noise cancellation, you will get it to connect and all those stuff. But one thing that kind of irritates me the most that I'm not getting is that the AirPods doesn't show the battery status on the Android. So if you know, on iPhone, whenever you connect your AirPods, you see right away the charging status, how much percent you have left on your battery and all those stuff. But with Android, it just connect as a Bluetooth device. You don't see how much percent is left, which one is out, which one is in, how much percent the charging case have, how much percent the left earpods have, how much percent the right earpods have. And that is what irritates me the most. Of course, there's third-party apps in the Play Store, the Android Play Store, where you can like download to see like the battery status and all those stuff. But those don't work the cleanest. For example, the one that I'm using, it is called I think it is called Apple what is it called again? I think it's like Apple Power or something like that. Let me look it up real quick. So it is called Ear Battery. So that is basically a third-party app to show you how much percent of battery you have on your earpods. So that app works, but it doesn't work as user-friendly as you would think. One, it have a delay. Like if you open the case, it takes a while to show the percentage and all those stuff, how much percent is on that, how much percent is on that. If you even take out the earpods, it takes a while for it to pop up and all those stuff. So if you can bear with that, or if you don't mind seeing how much percent you have left on your earpods, then you can use it with your Android. But otherwise, it's gonna be kind of irritating to use these third-party apps to see how much percent you have left on your Android, on your earpods while using Android. But as I said, this is a part of the Apple ecosystem, so it will definitely work perfectly, if not flawlessly, if you're using a Apple device, like for example a iPad, a MacBook, a iPhone, or whatever. If you're using something, even the Apple Watch, if you're using it, it should work fine, if not flawless, in that ecosystem, because it is made for Apple devices. But I said there's third-party apps where you can like see how much percent you have left on the battery, make it like stop playing music if you take it out of your ears and all those stuff. But I know a lot of you guys might be doing a little research to know if you should buy this or not. You should buy it. It is definitely a good buy. It is definitely a premium build. It is definitely worth it, and it definitely connect to the Android device without any you don't hear like any disturbance or anything. Like it is like a clean sound. That's what I'm trying to say. You get a very clean sound out of it, and it is definitely worth it. It definitely can just connect even one earphone at a time. You can do two of them. You can listen music, you can talk on your phone. It also uses the microphone in the earpods, so it doesn't use a microphone from your phone, which is pretty cool. And you can go a pretty far distance, a couple hundred feet maybe, and this will be still connected to your Android phone. And yeah, so is it worth it for Android? Yes, it is definitely worth it, but these might not be the earphones for you if you're looking to go wirelessly for your Android. You might want to go to like Sony's wireless earphones or so, where you know there will be like a not a third party but a first party app in the Play Store that can actually configure the settings for that, and you can see how much battery you have left. But for Apple, for the AirPods Pro, it doesn't work that well. But that is just my one issue with AirPods on Android. Let me know if you have any other issues in the comment section. Let me know if this video was helpful. How you gonna buy this for your Android? Are you buying it? Do you have one? What are your issues? What are your complaints? Let me know in the comment section. After buying this, still I'm thinking about getting a iPhone, but let's see how that works out. But these are definitely some premium build quality. Let me take it out for you guys to see. So premium build quality right there, definitely worth the price. Just like that, small and comfortable, and noise cancellation. But as I said, you don't get Siri and all those fancy stuff. You don't see the battery status, so those are just the stuff that you're missing out with. And I think you have like music share or something, some other things, but you're not missing much. You're still getting the same crispy audio. Still can connect one at a time, still can charge it. You're just not seeing the battery status. So if you want to see the battery status, or if you want to get more out of these earpods, then maybe you need to get a iPhone with this earpod. So that's what I have to say for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. This was just a quick up to date. I hope this help out some of you guys in the future. But yeah, that's all I have to say. If you reach this far in this video, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.